Hello world, I am Tehseen Haider and you are watching of pakanmol. Many people comments on me. Tell me something about yourself. Okay, today in this video I will talk about myself. I have not a big degree. I am only studied 8th class. But after leaving school, I work at many institutions. Even I did the cleaning as a sweeper. Other works such as farm work, sweeper job, salesman, security guard. I will done a lot of works as a wages. And after all, I thought about my future and I decided I had to learn a skills. I work in a pharmaceutical factory and began to learn his work from a great patient. After almost 2 years of hard work, my hard work give me a broad color. I got a job in Peshawar as a mechanical in charge. I was very happy. Even this, I never stopped learning skills. I done the electrical courses, mechanical courses, programming, and even web designing. I'm a web designer. And today I am a successful man. I have 2 YouTube channels. On one channel I teach separate courses. Its name is Anmol Techno TV. And the other channel is Anmol. I want to thank my God and my parents. I could not do it all without my parents' prayers. So nothing is impossible, any task for humans. Because humans are ashraful makhluk. So that's it. That's it my story.